Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must begin by signing in and enabling location access. Without GPS, the app cannot track your route. Once signed in, download offline map tiles for the area you plan to use because cellular service may drop. Now create a new quest. Give it a clear name, enter the target coordinates, and add at least one waypoint. This first setup puts everything in place so the app can record tracks, navigate, and manage waypoints reliably while you move. Next, organize your waypoints into the order you intend to visit and set an arrival radius, so the app auto-advances when you reach a point. Make sure track recording is enabled and pick a logging interval, 1 second for precision or longer to save battery. Use the built-in compass, elevation profile, and bearing display to confirm the route looks right. If a segment looks off, adjust waypoint positions now. This middle phase builds a reliable. As you navigate, follow the turn-by-turn cues and check ETA and remaining distance frequently so you stay oriented. Once you reach the final waypoint, stop recording and save the track. Export a GPX file if you want a backup or to share. If the app shows drift or inaccurate location, try toggling GPS off and on, restart the app, and if needed, re-download the offline map tiles. These steps usually fix positioning issues and preserve your completed quest data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.